Hello YouTube people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making nothing apparently. In today's video we are going to be making no-bake keto cookies. So they are super simple. You basically just whip them together, throw them in the fridge, and you've got cookies. Perfect for those days when you just want to eat everything in sight, or you just have a sweet craving, you know, if you're a normal human being, unlike me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna roll a little clip of them here. Hopefully you guys think they look good. I don't even know what they look like yet, so hopefully they are. And let's just get right into it so I stop rambling. All right, here we go.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is add your favorite blend of mixed nuts to a bowl, 1 1/4 cups. I'm using peanuts, hazelnuts, slivered almonds, walnuts, and pecans, but you can use whatever you want. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of flax meal, which will absorb a lot of liquid and thicken up our cookies a bit. Then we'll add about 1 1/4 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut. After that, we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll just mix that together. And we're just going to set this aside while we now work on our wet ingredients. So you'll want to heat a saucepan over medium heat and add a 1/4 cup of salted butter to that. Melt your butter, whisking occasionally. Once your butter is melted, you'll want to pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You'll also want to add 1 cup of powdered monk fruit sweetener. And just give that a whisk. And then we're also going to add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And we're going to whisk all of that together until it gets smooth. We're going to keep stirring this and heating it over medium heat, basically until we see some bubbles form on top. And you'll also see the mixture start to darken in the center when it's about to come to a boil. So we're just going to keep watching it. As they say, just keep swimming. We're just going to keep stirring and keep stirring over and over until we finally see some bubbles on top. And eventually, once you start to see that darkening in the center as well, like right here, then we kind of just want to let it do its thing until it starts to come to a bit of a boil, and we're just going to let it sit like this for 1 minute without stirring it. Just let it do its thing. Alright, and then we're going to remove it from the heat and give it another really good stir, just like this, and it'll look nice and thick and very dark now. And this is the time when we can add our peanut butter. So I'm using crunchy peanut butter. It's 2/3 a cup. You can also use smooth peanut butter, it doesn't really matter. Just natural peanut butter of any kind. And then we're going to stir that in until it starts to get smooth. And then at this point we can also add in our vanilla extract. I'm doing a full tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then lastly, we can add in our nut mixture from before. Just pour that right in there. And we'll stir it up. Now we're going to take this mixture while it's still warm, and we're going to use a cookie scoop to put scoops of it on some parchment paper. They might fall apart a little bit, it's no big deal, just gently push them back together with your hands. They will stick once you push them back together. And this is what they look like. And now all you have to do is let them sit at room temperature to harden, or you can also put them in the fridge to speed up the process. Super easy, super quick, and these are probably some of the best cookies that I have made in a while. They are so good.
Alright guys, if I have stuff in my teeth, I apologize. These were so good, like better than I thought they'd ever turn out. This is the best no-bake cookie recipe I've ever made. I think it's all comes down to just heating up the heavy cream and the cocoa powder and butter on the stove with the peanut butter. That's just, it makes all the difference, just letting that simmer a little bit. So much better than those recipes that are just like coating it in chocolate or just adding peanut butter. Like, so good. I just want to eat all of them right now. And they're just over 100 calories, I believe, for each one. It's a little crumbly if I try and hold it. I didn't put them in the fridge yet, but oh my gosh, so good. Yeah, after you put them on the tray, you can put them in the fridge, but they also do really well just as they are right now. But oh my gosh, I just want to eat them all. They're so good. So please take my word on it. I know that they don't look super pretty, but no-bake cookies never really do. They're meant to be a little bit misshapen, but wow, these are the best, probably keto cookies I made. Like, honestly, they're just so good. So please make them now. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. As always, I so appreciate it. It really helps me out and helps me to grow my channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one, and bye.